This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change cars forever. We'll explore the revolutionary shifts transforming the automotive industry, from power sources to how we interact with our vehicles. Get ready to discover the key innovations driving this exciting evolution, making cars smarter, cleaner, and more connected than ever before. Let's dive into the future of transportation. Electric vehicles are at the forefront of automotive change, offering a cleaner, more sustainable way to travel. With advancements in battery technology, ranges are increasing, and charging is becoming more accessible. These vehicles not only reduce our carbon footprint, but also provide a quieter, smoother driving experience, often with significantly lower running costs compared to traditional gasoline cars. Autonomous driving is set to redefine how we travel, promising a future with fewer accidents and more efficient journeys. From advanced driver assistance systems to fully self-driving capabilities, these vehicles use sophisticated sensors and artificial intelligence to navigate. Imagine reclaiming commute time or enjoying enhanced safety on every trip. This technology is evolving rapidly, bringing us closer to a truly hands-free experience. Beyond the vehicle itself, connectivity is transforming the driving experience, offering seamless integration with our digital lives. Cars are becoming mobile hubs, providing entertainment, navigation, and vital safety information. Furthermore, new ownership models like ride-sharing and subscriptions are changing how we access transportation, offering flexibility and potentially reducing the overall number of cars on the road. The future of mobility is truly interconnected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.